The Xbox One X. Okay, oh my god. So why, Microsoft, why do you do this? Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to DavidPlays. My name is David and today we have something big in the office. I keep telling you, it's like Christmas morning every time I get to make a video. That's why we still have the holiday decorations. It's Christmas Day all year long in the DavidPlays studio. Thank you very much. Let's get right to it. You know it's gonna be good when it's a very big package. Size matters. No. Never mind. Oh, here we have it. The most powerful gaming console in the world. The Xbox One X. Oh, yeah. Oh. This is heavy. Okay, this is heavy. This is heavier than I expected. You know, I'm trying to do this like very gracefully. The lack of strength in my arms is not working right now. It's not working in my favor. Not that it ever did. Oh, there you go. Oof. Just worked out these muscles in my hand right here. Get out of the way. Here we have it. Ooh, you saw it first. The Xbox One X. Look at this. 4K Blu-ray, 4K Ultra HD. What's the difference between those two? HDR, whatever the difference is, it can handle it all. 1 terabyte, the Xbox One X. It's a thing of beauty. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's open this up. Alright, let's see. This is the first thing that meets you when you open the box. Get started, Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Live Gold. A 14-day free trial for Xbox Live Gold. Some advertisement for the Xbox Elite controller. A 1-month free trial for the Gamebox Game Pass. More promo for more game controllers. And a quick starter guide. Oh, what else do we have here? I suppose this will be, indeed, the wiring. This is the HDMI cable high-speed. HDMI high-speed for all your 4K needs. Over here we have the power cord. And over here we have the controller. Let's check out the controller. A helpful reminder to all babies to not wear this over their heads. If you're a baby and you're watching this, remember to not put this package over your heads. That's very important. Okay. Oh my god. Of course, why, Microsoft, why do you do this? We're doing so good, we're doing so great. Microsoft and their love for freaking AA batteries, what is wrong with you? So we have the standard Xbox controller. I have one exactly like this, which I got with the original Xbox, and of course, it uses AA batteries, of course. Damn it, Microsoft. I will not have this. I will not have this in 2018.
I'm drawing in the sand a line. You're either for or against.
You know, it's weird because Microsoft really pushes their controllers. They're like Xbox equivalent to Nintendo's Amiibo or something. They have all these different controllers and they look really, really cool. But why? Why in the world would you make them need AA batteries? And I know there's rechargeable batteries. Why should I be doing Microsoft's work? PlayStation, not even Nintendo uses AA batteries. Come on, Microsoft. I believe in you. I believe in you, Microsoft. Let's leave AA batteries in 2008 where they belong. Gosh darn it. Alright, guys. Ready for the big one? You know what I'm very thankful for? I don't see any more cables, dude. This is the whole thing. You put this on the console and you connect this to your outlet and you're done. Oh man. I have something to show you in a little bit, but first of all, let's finish unboxing this. Here we go, the main event. There we go. The world's most powerful gaming console in my hands. Here we have it. Holy moly, dude. First of all, this is pretty heavy. I gotta say, but the form factor itself is pretty small. I love it. I feel like I can exercise with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if you can read that. Hello from Seattle. Xbox One X. Got the Xbox logo, a USB port, wireless sync button, I believe this is. I suppose this is the power button. Damn, Xbox. You even included the little logo at the bottom of the device. I suppose in case someone wants to prop it up like this. Are you supposed to prop it up? I'm not sure. I don't think so. There's like vents here. In the back, you had your HDMI cable port out to TV, and HDMI cable in from satellite cable. Oh my god. The world's more powerful console, tethered to the past with AA batteries and working as a cable box. I know their intentions are good. Anyone who has dealt with cable boxes know how medieval they are, how they seem to belong to a different century, and they do belong to a different century. It's been 18 years we're in this new millennium, so here comes Microsoft trying to make everything better, but not understanding that TV itself is the past. Unless you're talking about a service like YouTube TV, where you don't need cable boxes, internet is the future. Focus on that, Microsoft. Eyes on the go, eyes on the future. Let go of the past. Let go of those AA batteries. You don't need to be a cable box. No one wants cable anymore. It's all about cutting the cables. Wireless, aka the future. I keep telling you. Couple USB ports, Ethernet, so forth. And this is it. The world's more powerful console, the Xbox One X, capable of running games in 4K, 60 frames per second. It has it in it. You just gotta believe in it. If you believe in the heart of the Xbox One X, it shall give you 4K at 60 frames per second. You only need to believe and the right software. The right software is actually pretty important. Pretty important part, yeah. You wanna watch your Blu-ray movies, some 4K Netflix? This can do it too. Oh, you wanna connect your cable box? Good one. This beauty right here is the Xbox One X. This thing right here is the original Xbox One. Oh, my good old Xbox One. It is a monster with literally more vents than like solid walls. What do you call this? I don't know. Look at the size of it compared with a new console. Ugh. Oh shit, I'm moving the whole table now, damn it. It's like an inch bigger on either side and about an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches at the front. Oh, interesting. The Xbox One actually has like a little inclination, it would seem. About 1 or 2 inches shorter. The X is heavier actually, even though this one is bigger. The original Xbox One. You know what I'm not gonna miss about this one? This thing right here. The bane of my existence. I swear it would keep me up at night. I could not have this thing plugged in because it would go like... Oops. I was playing Scar. Oh man, it's so hot in here. Yes, give me all your fans, Xbox. Yes. It's like a beating heart under my floorboards, reminding me of my sins. It never shuts up. Alrighty, let's turn this off. This right here is gonna be replaced by this. It's like we're living in the future or something. Now, something that this console had that this doesn't is a good old Kinect. Yo, so much wasted potential. Can you imagine this today in the age of the artificial intelligence personal assistant? In the age of Alexa, Siri, the Google Assistant, the Kinect was ahead of its time. The technology itself was awesome. These cameras could show you all kinds of things. They could see in the dark, show you like thermal signals. The hardware itself was amazing. It had so much potential, and I still wish Microsoft doesn't give up on this idea. Instead of having just a voice like Alexa or Siri or the Google Assistant, wouldn't it be cool if something like the Kinect made it so that you never turn off your TV and you have an assistant with a face that takes artificial intelligence to the next level? Maybe someday we'll meet again, Kinect. The world wasn't ready for you. Well, this is it. The Xbox One X. Play your games in 4K, watch your movies in 4K, connect your cable box to it, get your AA batteries ready. I'm just messing with you, Xbox, but really, don't tether this thing to the past. Keep moving forward. Microsoft, I believe in you. So excited. But anyway, as always, let me know what you think in the comments. Are you interested in a 4K gaming console? Do you have a 4K TV? Let me know in the comments. I'll leave a link in the description for the Xbox. But as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. But either way, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. But of course, those don't work with this beauty right here, the Nintendo Switch, which is why I always have an extra pair of earbuds. So when I'm playing my Nintendo Switch at the airport, on the plane, I have sound. These are almost exclusively used for the Nintendo Switch. Come on, Nintendo! Really? It's obvious you don't understand wireless is the future. Oh, I love this thing though.